I'm so proud of you. This is the accumulation of all your life's hard work. You deserve it. I love you. I'm proud of you. And just enjoy. See you on my birthday. Bye.
That's my cousin Tracy. She's, like my second mum. She brought me up when I was going through a lot of stuff when I was younger, she used to come and sweep me up and look after me. So I owe a lot to her.
Hi, Ffion. Welcome to the garden.
Day one in Switzerland. Let's go!
Love you, Auntie Ffion. I love you, Auntie Ffion.
They're funny. Oh, they're cute. That's my sister, my nephews, all 3 of them. They're all under the age of 5, which is chaos. But yeah, very close to my family. They've been a huge part of my journey, and the boys are football obsessed. Saint, the 2-year-old, the middle one, he's a middle child, he's chaos, but he can't go out without pulling his socks up to his knees because he wants football socks on, like Auntie Fee. So yeah, they're football obsessed. Their dad was going to be watching the whole tournament, so yeah, they're lush. They're really cute.